Hi everyone. Today I will give you a short summary on the chapter The Peacock and the Crane. Okay, there was once a very conceited peacock who had a gorgeous tail like no other bird. Okay, so here they're just saying good words about the beautiful bird peacock. Here they're saying that peacock is just so beautiful that it keeps on flaunting itself. It keeps on telling everyone how great it is, how good it is, how beautiful it is. So when he met a crane one day, the peacock scoffed at the crane's colorless and dull feathers and immediately spread his own colorful tail for the crane to see and admire. Okay, so now this peacock, he just thinks that he is just so beautiful, and one day he meets one crane, and when he sees this crane is white in color. It is a little dull color, and he's like, oh, you are just colorless and you have so dull feathers. And he's just saying bad words about the crane. He's just thinking that he's so great, he's so beautiful, he's so nice, and the crane is just too worst to look at. And he's just telling that he's beautiful than any other bird, and the crane is not at all beautiful. Look at my feathers, he boasted, how they shine in all the colors of the rainbow, while yours are so pale. I'm dressed like a king. Okay, so now a peacock, we just know that peacock has so many colors on its body. The feathers of the peacock, they're just so colorful and they're just so beautiful. So now the peacock is telling the crane that I'm just so beautiful, just look at me, just look at all my colors on my feathers, just look at all the colors on my body. And he's just saying good words about himself, and he's just telling the crane how beautiful he is, and he's just boasting about himself, and he's saying bad about the crane. He's further saying that his feathers are just shining and there are all the colors of the rainbow, like the red, yellow, green, white, all the colors of the rainbow. Further, he tells the crane that he's looking like completely like a king. Like a king is just looking so royal, so beautiful, gorgeous, perfect kind of. Like this way the peacock is feeling that he's a king. So the crane is like, yes, whatever you are saying is just so true. Okay, so the crane is also trying to reply to him, and he's trying to give its best. Further, it is saying that, but I can fly high above among the clouds and the stars, and I can see all the beauty of the earth and all its glory, while you live down here just like any other cock. Okay, so now the crane is agreeing to whatever the peacock is saying. Like the peacock is saying he's beautiful, he's gorgeous, his feathers are like rainbow, and he's a king and all the stuff. And the crane is like, okay, whatever you're saying is completely true. But the crane is also saying that crane is giving now good words about itself. Like, even though the crane is colorless, or even though the crane is not looking beautiful as the peacock, but yet crane can fly too high in the sky. It can touch the clouds, it can fly inside the clouds, it can see the earth, it can see the sky, he can see everything from a very great height. But the peacock cannot do any of this thing. Peacock cannot fly so high. Peacock just lives on the ground. Peacock just lives on the earth. It cannot fly, so it cannot see the beautiful clouds, beautiful sky, the beautiful ground, beautiful earth. But the crane can fly high, so it can see everything, and the beautiful earth and the beautiful sky and just everything. Further, the crane says that fine feathers don't make fine birds. So this means that the peacock has fine feathers. Peacock has colorful feathers, all the rainbow color feathers. The peacock is looking like a king. The peacock has all the colorful, the rainbow colored feathers. But even though he has so beautiful, so nice feathers, and the crane on the other side is colorless, pale, his feathers are not looking so good. Even though so much difference is there, we can see that the peacock is beautiful and awesome, but the crane is not. Even though all these things are there, we can just see that the peacock may have good things, but the bad thing over here is peacock cannot fly high. Peacock cannot see the beautiful sky, clouds, and the ground. But the crane, even though being colorless, has good thing that it can fly in the sky and see the beautiful earth and the beautiful nature and a beautiful creation of the God. Thank you.